Hi besties, are you wondering what today's recipe is? 10 over 10 minus nothing. Period. Yes, did you hear that? Today's recipe is garden eggs recipe. It has a taste of eggs stew, a taste of garden eggs, and a taste of vegetable sauce. Blended together, mixed together. Guys, you can't miss this. So let's dive into the video. So these are the ingredients and my protein. Okay, I'll show you some proteins that I'll add to this. So these are the vegetables that I will use, and some eggs, some corned beef, mackerel, garlic, ginger. You see, I can never go without that. So this is my thyme, rosemary in a hot oil. Then there's my cured fish. Okay, it is optional. Then some sliced onions. So you're gonna fry it till tender. If it is a human skin, it's gonna be called caramel. Okay, so fry till tender. Then you're gonna add your mixture. Okay, those garlic, ginger, onion, pepper, tomatoes. Okay, so you will fry it for about 5 minutes and then go in with your eggs. Okay, the eggs, don't forget to add a pinch of salt when you are whisking. All right, so look at what just happened. Anyways, so that's what you're looking for. Okay, let your eggs be scrambled like this and then go in with your corned beef. Okay, so I haven't gotten anywhere, but then it smells nice already. So I'll just go ahead and add my garden eggs. Okay, so I used my earthenware. You don't want to use blender for this, please. We don't want any smooth garden egg. Okay, you want it exactly like this, so go in with the traditional process. So I went in with my shrimp cubes, some all-purpose seasoning, and then some salt to taste. Okay, you need it. So I added my mackerel, so go ahead and use any protein of your choice, and then my sliced onion. Oh my god, you can use the white onions as well. Okay, so this is what I got, and then I added some bell peppers to give it a nice flavor. Okay, and it did just that magic I'm looking for. So we're definitely gonna pair with this plantains and some yam. Okay, so this is the 10 over 10 minus nothing. Guys, we are done. Just like that. So I'm gonna serve myself and then enjoy it. Please try this recipe. Okay, just try it and you will never regret. It is so nice, so delicious, very easy to prepare, very easy. You will never waste time when preparing this recipe. Okay, and try to use the available ingredients you have in your house. Okay, if you don't have what I used, all right, just follow the process and then you're good to go. So a lot of people say that, Rosie, when you are enjoying your food, you will just carry your plates and then you are off. My dear, this time around, I'm not going to carry this plate. I will carry this plate and then face you. Okay, you're gonna see me enjoying this yam. Guys, you see, in fact, I'm speechless, guys. It was so delicious to the extent that I couldn't. Anyways, just try it yourself and you're gonna thank me later. So delicious. Then I got myself some chilled glass of water and I drank. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Subscribe, like and share. You're welcome, my returnees. Bye.